also from your tutorial 3. When you are given cos t equals to -7/17 and if the terminal point determined by t is in quadrant 2, find tangent t times cosecant t minus secant t. So for this one, you can use method 1 or method 2. For method 1, you can use identities. If you don't want to use the formula or the identities, you can always use method 2. Kalau Madam suka sangat method 2 sebab Madam suka melukis. Lukis right triangle. So you draw using right triangle. Okay. So let's say if I'm a student, so Madam terus je lah. Tu nak guna rumus silakan no problem. So we have in quadrant number 2. Quadrant number 2, sorry lukisan sengit dan tak cantik. Okay, and this is your, katakan T kat sini. Mana dia? Negative 7/18. Lepas tu terminal point determined by T. Cos ni dia adalah X per R kan? Untuk cos T. Cos T it is the coordinate of X bagikan dengan hypotenuse. So hypotenuse kena sentiasa positif. So 18 lah, yang negatif is negative 7 yang X ni. And then to find the Y value, you can always use the Pythagorean theorem. Y equals to set, tolong kira kat Madam berapa ni? 18 kuasa 2 tolak 49. Dapat set berapa Y equals to, ya Allah, set berapa? 18 square tolak 49. 49.
275.
275. 75, set 75. Okey, set 75.
So 275.
Set 275
Yes, madam, yes.
Tulislah kat sini. So, besarnya nombor. InsyaAllah. Set 275 adalah value Y. And then to find the tangent T, cosecant T, you just include in the formula. Okay. Wah, ni soalan tutorial ni. You boleh buat terus lah maksudnya. So tangent T multiply with cosecant T, which is 1/sin, minus secant T. Macam mana padang? Okay, minus secant T. Okay, kira dapat berapa jawapan. Nak check sebab takut jawapan belakang takut ada yang salah. So kita check dulu lah. Tangent bertentangan pebersebelahan. Negatif. Cosecant 1/sin. 1/sin ataupun hypotenuse over hypotenuse per tolak dengan secant 1 per cos. Cos adalah 18. Terbalikkan tu juga. Yang kot. Okay, cancel. Kenapa negatif medium 2 kali ni? So negatif 18/7. Tambah. Nampak tak jawapan dia kosong? Please check your answer. Betul ke kosong? Kalau kosong, kosong lah. Okay, question number 7. Okay, you all dapat 0.
0.
0 lah ya jawapannya. Media tak check jawapan belakang sebabnya tak sempat nak buka untuk jawapan belakang, tapi Media yakinlah dengan kita punya calculation ni, so the answer is 0. Right? Okay, next question number 11. Ni pun soalan tutorial. tutorial 3. When you are given cos theta negative 4/7 and theta is an obtuse angle, find sin theta. Dia tak cakap pun guna method apa kan. So sekatilah nak guna method triangle or method identities. Obtuse ni maksudnya apa? Sudut tu berada kat mana?
Quadrant tu.
Quadrant 2 because it is between 90 degree and 180. Sudut apa ni orang panggil sudut cakah lah. Kalau acute angle sudut tirus kan. So lukis and then negative 4/7. Negative 4 this is 7, cari y. Y is set 49 tolak 16. Tiga-tiga set tiga-tiga kan, set tiga-tiga. This is positive and then sin theta. Sin theta equals to set 33/7. Senangnya nombor 11. 7, 11. Okay, next. Tutorial question number 14. 14D. 14D. Soalan tutorial 14D without using calculator, evaluate cos 150 degree times tangent negative 135 degree over cosecant 240 degree times secant negative 960 degree. Okay, so now we want to evaluate, tengok yang mana ada negative angle. So for negative angle, please use the even out property sebab ada markah kat situ. Bukan dia saja letak negatif sebab dia nak test on even out property. Ni dengan yang ni. So you'll have, this will be cos 150 times tangent positive or negative. Jadi negative, right? Negative tangent 135 degree and over cosecant which is 1/sin. Okay, you can simply use the reciprocal. Kalau tak nak lagi pun tak apa, it's up to you. So 1/sin or cosecant 240 degree times for secant it is positive. And here if you look at the degree, we can implement the periodic properties. Periodic properties which is 330 plus 360 untuk secant. So secant it is 330 plus 360 degree. Okay, hopefully you can follow. So we have here for cos 150, ni dia maintain macam dulu, nanti baru dia evaluate. And then multiply with negative tangent 135 over tangent 1 over, this is sin 240 times, this is 1 over cos 330. After your angle is already below 60 degree, not 60, 360 degree, then you can look at the location 150 in the second quadrant. The reference angle is 30. So we have add sugar to coffee. Next 135 135 also in the second quadrant. The reference angle is 45. So this is 135. Let's go to coffee. Next, 240. It is in the third quadrant. Apa ni? 1.10. Berapa? 60 ni. Tu kan? 60 lah. So I should go to coffee. And then 330. 330, it is in the third quadrant. Fourth quadrant, sorry. Fourth quadrant. So you can draw and look at the reference angle, which is 30 degree. Okay, lukis dulu kedudukan, nanti baru evaluate. 330, 30 degree, this is 330. And then I should go to coffee. And here we will write in terms of sine and also in terms of reference angle. Tadi tak tulis lagi. So now baru nak tulis seperti ni. So we look at cos 150. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. Cos is negative. So we need to write negative cos. Reference angle dia is 30 degree. Okay. And then multiply with, this is negative sebab even odd tadi. Tangent 135. 135 in the second quadrant, tangent is negative. So ada lagi satu negative kat sini. It is caused by the sine in the second quadrant. So negative tangent 45 degree. This is over 1 over sine 240. Sine in the third quadrant, it is negative. So negative sine 60 degree. And then for cos in the fourth quadrant, it is positive. Okay lah, kan? Cos 30 degree. Okay. So up to this line, make sure your angle is below 90 degree. Okay, after that, you can evaluate using the right triangle. This one. If you have 30 degree here, we have here, this is 3. This is 2, 60 degree 1. If you have 45, kat sini. 45 part over 4, this is 1, 1, 2. Okay, then continue to substitute. Okay, kemudian sambunglah. Sambung dan carilah berapa dia punya jawapan dia. Okay, you don't just stop setakat tu dulu untuk ni, then you try to evaluate. Ni soalan tutorial ni, this one. Okay, next is for question number 22. Don't worry, nanti 9.30 medium stop sebab you all nak prepare untuk next class pula kan. Sekejap je dalam medium ni. And then for number 22, dia ada perubahan. Soalan 22 is not in our tutorial, but we change the question. For number 22, without using a calculator, find the exact value. Find the exact value. Soalan dia lain, cancel soalan tu, salin dengan soalan ni. This is tangent 15 degree times cos 375 degree over negative cotangent 45 degree times sine 165 degree. So for this one, I will leave as your homework. Okay, soalan ni tukar ni soalan ni. Ini jawapan dia nanti. Your answer is equals to -1. Okay, buat nanti.